Mommy is here. Huh? Ay, kaya we put Lolo there.
Yeah.
We put Lolo. We put Lolo there. And before, kasi you have to approve kung ano ilalagay doon eh. Nung una, nilagay yung pangalan ng Lola on top of Lolo. Sabi ko, don't make it appear na nilagay lang si Lolo.
Yeah.
So put it as if nauna na si Lolo doon, and then you have there. Kasi itong lot naman na to it's 2 coffins deep, meaning kaya may extra space. You have to be practical, plan. It can accommodate.
Wait, did Lola have a cremation?
No, but this is a full you know what? We made Lola's wish come true because Lola and her brother, I heard them, they don't want to be cremated, na? So they don't want to be cremated kasi ano sila old thinking, na? Kasi yung cremation is new way of thinking kasi hindi naman lahat magkakaroon ng malaking ganyan. So, but this one is actually fit for future. So this lot is ours for life. Yan. Yan. Ano yung sinasabi ko kay Liam, not all people have their own lot. Oh, yeah, that we have our own lot. Lola, Chami is here. Ayan, dahil kasi well-maintained siya. Makikita mo naman eh, may nagme-maintain dyan. Whereas yung mga, yung nagda-dry up na yung grass. Yeah, that's, kasi ayaw naman natin na forgotten ang Lola.